the president was warned that come before the day of the election, he will be lying in hospital.
Usinze ngotini yemoto lo ilibeka ngumengameli wakuleli Jacob Zuma kanzi MK ithi wexwayisa Zuma ukuthi angeke kufike likhetho wangakalala esibhedlela.
Clearly there are some Muslims amongst ourselves that they are giving non-Muslim information because there is no any other individual who can come inside the masjid.
Kubanjwe inkunzi lisondvo emsholozi ngaphandle nje kwe White River eMpumalanga.
Another game that is going to be an interesting game. We are playing against Orlando Pirates.
Yabuya imidlalo ye-DStv Premiership ne-CAF Champions League ilembela sondvo. Asikubingelele mbukeli sikwamukele Tindzaba teSiswati le-State Flap khoma la ku SABC. Khumbula ke mbukeli ukuthi le tindzaba tiyatfolakala ku YouTube, SABC Plus, Facebook na ku X. Kuboshwe invotes aleneminyaka lenge-50 nakunye ngemacala ekushayela enathile nekunganaki lokhu kulandzela ukuthi imoto yayo ishayisane nemoto yombuso lebehamba ngemengameli waphambilini Jacob Zuma emgwaqweni R66 eShowe KwaZulu-Natal itolo ebusuku.
Lona beyangumengameli wakuleli Jacob Zuma nabonogada bakhe basinze engotini yemoto kanzi kude lo limele. Inhlangano lesanza kusungulwa iMK KwaZulu-Natal icele betemthetho ukuthi baphenyisise ngalesigameko kanzi ithi sashacekile. iMK yendeti insolode ukuthi kudzala yathi nobe ikulinzele lokulokwendeke kuZuma. Ithi Zuma waxwayisa ukuthi angeke kufike ilanga lelukhetho akangene esibhedlela.
Unfortunately, we have been waiting for it to happen, and it had happened. Because the president was warned that come before the day of the election, he will be lying in hospital.
Lenhlangano iphinze yavalisa khathathenga kuphepha kwaZuma ngenxa kungenela kwetepolitiki njengoba ithi sehliswa nesibalo sabonogada bakhe. iMK ithi Zuma usesimeni lesikahle kwamanje.
The former president is kept in a very safe space. And the former president is well and good.
Lenhlangano yendeti insolode ukuthi kukhona sandla semfene kulengoti letfolwe nguZuma.
Definitely, whoever is doing it, they know themselves out there. I'm not the one who's saying it. They've said it publicly. They've said it on national broadcast, and people will all know who they are. But just because now they are in charge, they've got powers to manipulate, they've got powers to redeploy, they've got powers to cut the safety of the president, which we strongly believe that what led to this.
Ninguseluleko mkhwanazi wetindzaba teSABC.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa undlulise emavi envuthuto eveni laseBotswana wathembisa nekulesekela kulesimo lelibukene naso. Lokhu kutangemva kokuthi kushone abantu labangema45 engotini yebhasi endzabeni iMamatlakala emkhathini kwemugubane neMakhene. Labagibeli ke bebasuka eGaborone eBotswana balibangise eMoria ngaphandle kwePhulukwane.
Tithumbu tishe tangconga kanzi letinye tisavaleleke kulemfucumfucu. Umphathiswa wetempilo eLimpopo Dr. Phophi Ramothuba uthi iNingizimu Afrika itawusebenzisana nelive laseBotswana kuqinisekisa ukuthi luhlelo lokufanisa buhlobo nekuhambiswa kwetidvumbu luhamba kahle.
There will be a team that will be put into place to work together with the Botswana government so that we make sure that the entire process of identification until repatriation, so that the Botswana government can receive the remains of their loved ones and give them the befitting send-off.
Linxusa leBotswana kuleli Dr. Sanji Monageng lisitinhlelo teluhlolo lokufanisa buhlobo titawuqala madvude. Kanzi kwanyalo bayimfica nje kuphela labakhona kufaniswa ngaphandle kokusebenzisa iDNA.
They will be identified, those who are identified, the 9 for now. The church members who are here know them by sight, and this is what we are looking for, or we are looking forward to, the visual identification. then which will be followed by all the other processes that the MEC talked about. DNAs, postmortems, that will now be the doctor's terrain.
Lwela seBotswana Mokgweetsi Masisi naye undlulise emavi endvuthuto kulabo labathintekako kanzi wafisela nalomfana loneminyaka lesiphohlongo losinzile ukuthi alulame.
Litiko letekutfutsa eMpumalanga lithi umthamo wetimoto wehlile emigwaqweni kulesifundza emaphoyisa emgwaqo avimbe itimoto etinzaweni letahlukene kuyogcinisekisa kuphepha nekuthi umthetho wemgwaqo uyalandzelwa. Tibonakele tihamba kahle itimoto emgwaqweni longithela wayeka iN4 lohlanganisa leli neleMozambique.
Umthamo wetimoto wehlile emigwaqweni yaseMpumalanga nakucathaniswa naselangeni la Tindzaba. Kuvinjwe itimoto emigwaqweni kwagcilwa kakhulu kulungela kwetimoto kuba semgwaqweni nekuthi bashayela bangakanathi tshwala nalokunye kude tingoti letibikiwe kude kube nyalo.
Ivolume ye traffic yehlile emigwaqweni leminingi kodwa ke sibonile lapha ku N3 kusasekhona abantu labaningi labahamba labalibhekise kwaZulu Natal but then silinzeleke ukuthi itraffic iqale kukhuphuka kusukela ngelisonto nangeMonday njengoba itikolo tivulwa.
Kutawuvinjwa kuseshwe itimoto emigwaqweni leyehlukene futhi ngelisonto njengoba linyindi litawube libiyele etindzaweni letehlukene.
Ama operations lesinawo atawuqhubeka throughout ilong weekend lokunye lokhona ukuthi khona imigwaqo lesi identifyile kutawuba khona ama traffic officers ebusuku nemini.
Bashayeli bajabulele kubona emaphoyisa ngebunyende emigwaqweni.
It has been very good. It's been well spaced. People are driving nicely, not too fast.
Kuyahambeka kwasikakaboni gazi estrateni. Kuyahambeka siyabonga.
Litiko letekutfutsa licele bagibeli labasebenzisa timoto temphakathi ukuthi babeketelele bashayeli baphindze banganathi tshwala kule timoto letithwala umphakathi.
We requested them that they must stop to rush drivers when they are on the road. They must also, because they are saying that sometimes they use even inactive language. So we are saying to road users that they must leave their bad manners at home.
Baxwayisiwe ke bashayeli ngokungalandeli umthetho wemgwaqo.
Kubanje inkunzi lisondwe emsholozi ngaphandle kweWhite River eMpumalanga emakholwa lebekahlangene kuyothandaza kule nyanga yeRamadan athathelwe impahla yawo kusolwa ukuthi licembu letigebengu lebehlomile lingene kuleli sondo ladubula etule Mahlandla.
Labazalwane bashacekile kulandzela ukuthi baphindze babe tisulu tebugebengu ngekuya kwemalunga leli bandla bebathandaza ngalesikhathi kungena abantu labane labahlomile babatshela ukuthi balale phasi bathathe tinfo letimgcokwa lokufaka ekhathi bomakhalekhikhini nemoto kepha akukalimali umuntu.
So they started checking in our pocket. Yeah, they took some of phones. Yeah, I think the most issue is it was they need money. They was needing money.
Sekwesibili sigameko lesifute lesi sendeka kungakapheli ngisho neliviki. Evikini lelipheli letigebengu tangena tabamba inkunzi kulelinye libandla enkomazi.
Daily there are some Muslims amongst ourselves that they are giving non-Muslim information.
Bavakalise kukhathateka ngendlela emaphoyisa aphethe ngalo leli cala. Basola ukuthi emaphoyisa akamange avakashela indzawo yesigameko nanobe abikelwe itolo ebusuku. Lokhu kuta ngemva kwekuthi lithimba letindzaba teSABC litfole kusanetinhlavu endzaweni yesigameko ngemva kwemahora lasiphohlongo.
They've opened a case this morning after I've spoken to the MEC of Safety and Security, Mr. Vushom. That's why they started to open the case. While we have laid a complaint last night.
Emaphoyisa kakatfolakali kuphawula ngalolu dzaba.
Sikubutile ke mbukeli ukuthi njengoba lamuhla kuqala emaholiday liphasika ingabe sinjani simo endzaweni yangakini na umbono wakho?
It's busy as usual nje itole eningi sivuliwe kuyasetshenzwa nje abantu bayathengela benza abakwenzayo zimbalwa nje imoto engiyibonile zilayisha abayenkonzweni
lapha ngakithi yonke into bisahamba kahle besingakaboni nje inkinga konke nje kuhamba kahle abanye baya le nabanye baya le kuyajatshulwa nje yiphasika.
Akukho kuningi okwenzakalayo ngakithi sivuke ekseni somndeni saya enkonzweni sothola isidlo bese siyabuya ke somndeni.
Sine maholide enzaweni yangakithi kuhamba kahle kakhulu ngoba onke ama-alliance ahlangane lapha kaNyamazane nathi Sizwelisha Alliance Church sikhona sidla live lenkosi siyadumisa.
Uyabona namhlanje kuphithizela phithiza. Mangiphuma nje la ngiyobamba inkonzo lapha ngaphansi kwebandla iJerusalem Elisha Independent Christian Zion ngaphansi kwamengameli SK Ntuli ngaphansi kweyinsizwa uCX Kunene enkandla emachubeni uMome Branch ngiyobamba khona impela kuyoze kulamule usuku lwangesonto.
Lona ke ngumbono embukeli SABC ngeke ethwesa kudiphendulela ngawo. Kuletinye ke nasibuye titolo. Tiyachubeka tingcoco emkhatsini kwe-ANC ne-EFF mayelana nekusebenzisana kumasipala waseGruleni. Asiphinze sikwamukele embukeni lesigabeni sesibili seTindzaba teSiswati la SABC. Nawusanza kungena ukhethe kahle hlala nathi. Tiyachubeka tingcoco emkhatsini kwe-ANC ne-EFF mayelana nekusebenzisana kumasipala waseGruleni. Itolo sodolobha walomasipala Sivuyile Ngotwana ukhishiwe esihlalweni sakhe kulandzela livoti lekungamethembi. I-ANC ikhethe kungabi ingcinya lelivoti kanti ke somlomo walomasipala Nthabiseng Chivenga usiziswe i-ANC ngesikhathi naye abukene nesishukumiso sekungamethembi.
Baholi bemacembe epolitiki bayaphithitela bavakashela emasonto kutama kuthola abalandzeli kude babavotele nanoma kunjalo tiningi tinkinga letsabukene takhamuti takuleli sodolobha seGruleni ukhishiwe esikhundleni sakhe itolo lokulandzelwa ukuthi ANC ingaboni ngasolinye ne-EFF kulomasipala lobusa ngokuhlanganyela nanoma kunjalo lokho kusho ukuthi budlelwane balamacembe abukho esimeni lesikahle njengoba yachubeka nokukhulumisana ngenhloso yokuthola kuthi ngubani lotawuthatha isihlalo sasodolobha naletinye temalunga emkhandlu wasodolobha.
Our region, our province, has been talking with the EFF, and that meeting with Floyd is coming, which will meet as the political principals of the ANC and the EFF.
I-EFF isibesingekho isidingo sekuthi akhishwe lo sodolobha kanti i-ANC nalamanye amaqembu lamancane lekubusana ngokuhlanganyela bavakalise okungenetiseki ngalo sodolobha.
The motion of no confidence against the mayor was not necessary. It was unnecessary. And that does not trivialize, though, the issues which the smaller parties and the ANC have been raising about coordination of governance and government in Ekurhuleni, that we have had a mayor who was unable for some time to consolidate the different perspectives into a common vision and an agenda for the municipality.
I-IFP bayihambile esontweni iGrace Bible Church kanti ivakalise ukuthi ikholelwa kusiloko ngentiwa tinhlangano kusitibambisana tetfole isisombululo kuletinkinga letihlasela lo masipala eGruleni njengoba nelukhetfo selusemnyango.
Immediately after elections, there should be a deep consideration of all municipalities that are not fully functional.
Bomasipala labanyenti bakuleli babukene tinkinga letinyenti letfake ekhatsi kuphakela imandi naletinye tinsita.
Kutemidlalo tiyabulalana ke kulembela sonto emidlalweni ye-DStv Premiership kanzi ke kulonyo hlangothi nelicembu leMamelodi Sundowns lidlala eAfrica kepha ke ukhona Mduduzi Ndlovu lo watika bandi ngaloku gatshela sikubingelele salihlala endzabeni.
Ngibonge lamabuza ngibonge kakhulu ngibingelele kuwe mbukeli ekhaya tiyagijimisana tiyagadlulisana enkundleni temidlalo enkundleni etahlukahlukene emacembu lalishumi naku ne14 wemacembu ayagadlulisana. iMamelodi Sundowns ayikho ke ivakashele eTanzania la idlala khona kumdlalo weCAF Champions League quarter final ifolane etulu neYoung Lion neYanga yakhona Young Africans yakhona eTanzania. iSuperSport United yona ithi kudlala iCAF kancane kepha ke kunemidlalo lesiyibukile lena letako nje ikakhulu Sikhukhune United besenta kahle kakhulu kulamalanga kutawubuka kakhulu ukuthi sisende ngcono njengoba sifulana etulu namagebhula kuyo le mpelasonto force yakuyo umceceshi weSikhukhune ngulihlohonolo wakasiyema ake simuve ukuthi uthina kakhuluma ngamagebhula. Ihlohonolo siyema.
Another game That is going to be an interesting game. We are playing against Orlando Pirates, one of the biggest teams in Africa. And for us as Kukuni, we want to take one game at a time. We just making sure that we collect as many points as we can from these last few games that are left.
Hlolo wasiyema uyasho ke ukuthi vele na kanjani lo mdlalo batimisele ngokuthi bende kahle kangcono kulokuwo njengoba batimisele ngokuthi bacethe isizini nabo basekuba setulu kulo luhlu lwemaqembu la khona ku DStv Premiership kepha usete basebesela uyayibeka indzaba wakasiyema ke simuve futhi sithideni.
We are not saying that no, we have arrived. We know that we had 4 games or 5 games run unbeaten, but that is nothing because we are still in the position where we want to improve.
Ayaqhubeka namanye amaqembu ayadlala iCape Town City nayo iyabuka ithi na iKaizer Chiefs ingabita ibeka kuphi nguEric Wakathengla ungumqeqeshi umkantshubovu kuleli bhola linyawo eNingizimu Afrika ngumqeqeshi kepha ke kuCape Town City khuluma yeThengla sikuve.
Start hasn't been great the second half. So opportunity to fix certain areas of our game that I think are extremely important. I don't think the focus, concentration was there. So I think the FIFA break came at a good time.
So that ekhethela ke mbukeli usiwena ubukela muphi umdlalo imidlalo isifupha kusasa lokulokusako etingundleni entahlukene bese uba munye vo umdlalo weDStv Premiership lotawube ukhona ngelisonto kanzi sibuke nje ukuthi ku CAF Champions League iMamelodi Sundowns yehambile njengoba besisho ihambile ihavakashele kuphi eTanzania la itawubonana khona etulu nema Young Africans lekuthiwa iyanga ngalamafishane kwendeke ibhicongo ke phambilini nangabe emaqembu avakashela kula Tanzania iSundowns yona itimisele ngekuthi ibuye kahle njengoba itiphathele nemphako wayo ngemuva kwetidvumwe letisite letibonakele tendeka khona eTanzania ngesikhathi kuvakashe iJwaneng Galaxy yaseBotswana ayifuni iSundowns ukuthi ibona khona lapho. Ake siqhubekele embili ke ngathi temidlalo sinato la siyahamba embombela la sifola khona sabelo kamathebula kunemcuzelano lomkhulu lotako embombela ekuledolobheni lelikhulu laseMpumalanga kuthiwa imbombela open tetennis tatiwa kangcono ngutsabelo kamathebula ke sikubingelele umkholo etindzabeni teSiswati la Ntsambama.
Ngiyabingelela mina kethu ngibingelela kuwe nabo bonke babukele ekhaya.
Cabu nje ukafishane Mathebula ositshele kabandi yini lokwendeka ko lemidlalo itawube inini lena lesibuka ko lesisimbombela open.
Imbombela open ngumdlalo wetennis umdlalo lomkhulu lesibuke usisi doletha la embombela enasport kanzi ke nawutawukhumbula umdlalo lomkhulu lesike saba nawo embombela kwabaminyaka ngo2002 la bedlala khona eSouth Africa idlala neYugoslavia ku Davis Cup ngawo ke ngaleyo ndlela simbombela open organizing team sifuna kulesa lo mdlalo lomkhulu kade lo tawulanza abantu labaningi ku SADC kanzi ke lokhu abayitournament etawudlala minyaka yonke lesikuhlelile nalesifisa kona kulokubona ukuthi eminyakeni lemibili emithathu lona kube ngumdlalo lomkhulu lo tawulanza abadlali labafana labo labadlala ku ATP na ku WTA ngawo ke sifuna kwenda sicalo sina kwenda umdlalo otawulanza nje abantu labanengana uyobe ufaka juniors ufaka ngisho nalabadzala iprize money ke yale tournament kwe open section itabe ngi200,000 ngawo ke ngiyo indlela lesinaqala ngayo ukuthi sinakulesa umdlalo lomkhulu nathi eMpumalanga sibe ngilabo labatawubalwa sifiso sami liphupho lami lokuthi ake sesibe ne-tournament lemkhulu eAfrica ayikho lenye indzawo lesingayibuka nesingacabanga yona ukuthi ngaya kuyo ngaphandle kwayo eMpumalanga imbombela.
Mathebula bangakhi badlali balenzeleke ukuthi babe ingcenye lomcuzelwano Mathebula kubo labafuna kanjalo labasikati
Lesibukile ke sibuke ukuthi minimum yabadlali labato bayingcenye batawuba ngale kwa 150 labato badlala kuma sections lahlukahlukene ngawo ke sibuke ukuthi isection lele ngikhuluma ngayo yabo babe kutaba isection noma nje the open section yema seniors abangilelo letawulanza abadlali lesingababala nje ukuthi bataba 64 kubo babe batawuba 32 kubo make kodwa iprize money njengoba ngishilo utaba 200,000 lotawina ngaba kubobabe kumbe bomake utabathola imali leng 30,000 ngawo ke lethi tindvu lesisabona ngathi ukuthi yebo siyafisa ukuthi sifike esigabeni lesikhulu kodwa sibuka ukuthi manje siqale ngaleyo ndlela ngawo ke sifisa ukuthi sende wonke umuntu athole noma abone lokhu kulithuba ngoba njengoba siletha umdlalo lo khulukati ngalendlela sibuke ukuthi angeke nje kube indzaba yase tennis court ngekhathi kuphela kodwa sibuke ukuthi kube khona ama activities lamaningi latawe endeka latawena ukuthi nebantu basembombela nemaphethelo bakhona ukubenefita njengoba sihlale sikhuluma ngema spin-offs laba khona okay ngiyo indlela esibuke ngayo ukuthi lo mdlalo uthuthukise indzawo yasembombela yasempumalanga in terms of development economically as well ngawo ukuthi manje bantu nabeta enzaweni yakithi sibuke ukuthi manje sikhona ukuthi ithuthuke ikhona kubenefita kuna i-tournament isicabanga ukuthi tabe kakhulu lona umdlalo utabuletha badlali labasezingeni lesikhulu
Mathebula ngenxa yesikhathi Mathebula in 10 seconds Mathebula kwentekani njalo ngemasonto njengoba balungiselela le midlalo 10 seconds Mathebula
njengoba njalo ngemasonto siyaye sikhuthathe abantu la embombela ukuthi manje bete babe ingcenye siba ne social tennis ngakho simema bonke abantu abafisa ukufunda i-tennis nalabantu awuba ama spectators ethu nakufika May mhla ka 1 to 5 la i-tournament itawube ikhona khona
Mathebula ngibonge kakhulu isikhathi sakho setawukhuluma ngabantu ngayo lo mcuzelwano lotako Mathebula loyo ke ngusabelo waka Mathebula lokumcondzisi wemidlalo lomkhulu lotako lomcuzelwano lotabu sembombela batiwa ngokusimbombela open temidlalo siyatithatha sidibeka la Dora asibonge Mshengu Mshabalala
Bonga mina Katshani ngiyabona ukuthi kuseseniyendiwe phakese kwala sona sikhathi
ngiko nje isikhathi sinemona kabuhlungu kabi
Dinga ke mbuyelto lamuhla imbela sondwe phasika ayibe ngilenhle nalephephile